Hi friends, can I be honest with you? Sometimes life just happens. I've spoken to a couple of service-based business owners, freelancers who come into the year having big goals to increase their revenue, land their next big client, increase their income, and life just I'm laughing. It's not funny because I'm laughing because I've experienced it. A while ago, I lost a family member. Some of you must have seen a video about it. Lost a family member that made me shut down my business for 1 whole year. Yes, I said it. 1 whole year. You know, when you're in that place of deep sadness, let's not even go there. I was turning down clients or referring them to people that I had trained before or mentored before. I rushed off projects to finish it so that I could just, when you are just in that space of, let me just be. And I can understand how being in that state of mind, you're not even thinking about your business. Because of the experience that I've had, I have structured my life, my business in a way that I run it in 4 different circles: Q1, Q2, Q3. We are currently in Q4, and I do specific things to help push my business, to help grow my business so that we are always on turnover. And this year, I'm not doing it alone. I'm opening up to a small group of people that will come and let's push together to finish this year strong. Now, if you know me well enough, you know a bit about the Skill Her Circle community, where we mentor, where we teach people, where we help them grow their businesses. And this is something similar to that, but we are doing this for Q4 specifically, called the Growth Push Circle. I don't know why God is not allowing me to do this by myself. I'm doing this with people, but this is all on God. I cannot wait to see what God is about to do. So if you find yourself needing clarity, if you find yourself needing somebody to be accountable to, if you find yourself feeling stuck, if you find yourself wanting to land your next big client before the end of this year, then please fill out the form in the description. And we'll definitely get back to you. We will definitely get back to you. Again, it's just for a small group of people. I would love to take everybody, but I cannot. I need people that I can grow together with, can push together with, and can see this year finishing strong together with. So please, invite somebody that you think would need it, or you yourself, yes, you. Go and fill out the form in the description. And I cannot wait to have you in there.